Welcome to qnawire.
As us first, what kind of packing arrangement is seen at the company photo. So if you can see that, let's say we call it, this is the A layer, this is the B layer, and then the third one, if you compare the position, this is A, this is B, and then you compare the position that the third layer is the same with the first layer. So that's why this is AB, and so it is a hexagonal close packing. Now, what is the coordination number of each cannonball in the interior of the stack? So for the hexagonal close packing, you will have six cannonball in direct contact at the same layer, 3 cannonball on the bottom and 3 on the top, which make the total coordination number is 12. So for number 1 over here, what is the coordination number? So as you can see over here, the one in the same layer with it should have 4, because 2 more is already got removed. At the bottom must be 3. So 4 plus 3 at the bottom, and then 2 at the top, which make it 9. And for number 2, the coordination number, it doesn't have the bottom. Only the same layers has 4. Top layer has 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6.